Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rutu's Recipe Book. Today I'm going to show you a very easy and delicious recipe called as chicken spicy bites pizza. So for this we need chicken spicy bites. To know how to cook chicken spicy bites, you can click on the I button and watch my previous video. Apart from this, we need sliced onions, sliced or chopped green bell pepper. I'm using ready-made pizza base. We need pizza sauce and processed cheese. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm not using much toppings. You can use your toppings as per your wish. Okay, you can add corn, you can add paneer, you can add vegetables of your choice. So here I am just applying a little bit of pizza sauce on the pizza base. So guys, paneer is basically cottage cheese. Okay, you can use that as well, or your favorite veggies which you would like to add to this. So all we need to do is just apply this sauce on this pizza base, spread it evenly. Then we would add bell pepper, then we'll add the chicken bites, the chicken spicy bites, spread it evenly. You can add as much as you want. You may want to adjust the salt while making this, because as you're going to use the cheese on the top of this, so just make sure that it's not too salty. Then we'll just top it up with sliced onions, just a little bit for the crunch. Add a little bit more of bell pepper, and then let's garnish it with cheese. So I'm using processed cheese. You can use mozzarella or you can use a cheddar cheese to garnish this. Okay guys, so I've preheated the oven. Let's place this in the grill mode for about 5 minutes till the cheese melts. Okay, and this is done. Okay guys, so this is ready. Let's bring this out. So if you can see, the cheese is very well melted. So guys, the pizza is ready to be served. Let's plate it. So guys, let's cut this into pieces. You can add your favorite seasoning if you want, oregano and chili flakes, or you can serve it without it. Hey guys, so this chicken spicy bites pizza is ready to eat. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button. Do share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Rutu's Cookbook for more such delicious recipes. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye.